We are doing question number 54 of T.S. Garewal. There are two partners named as Anmol and Basu, A and B कह सकते हैं. Anmol and Basu, and sharing profit and losses in the ratio 1:1. Equal ratio है. And they are sharing profit and losses equally. Equally means 1:1. Their balance sheet is given to us and we have to make journal entries first. Sanjay is admitted on the following terms. Sanjay will get 1/5 share in the profit and he will bring 2 lakh as his capital and 50,000 as his share of goodwill. So 2 lakh रुपए बेटा वो capital लेके आया और 50,000 he brings as goodwill. So 2 lakh रुपए cash account debit to Sanjay's capital account and 50,000 as premium for goodwill, making a total amount of 2,50,000. We can write here Sanjay's capital account to Sanjay capital account. Then premium for goodwill 50,000 will be distributed among A and B, Amit and Vasu, Anmol and Vasu in the ratio of their sacrifice. And sacrificing ratio is 1:1, 25,000, 25,000. This amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners. Goodwill brought by Sanjay will be withdrawn by Anmol and Vasu. Goodwill withdraw कर ली उठा, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will write A debit, B debit, A debit, B debit to cash. Goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. 50,000 goodwill आया था, 50,000 ही withdrawn होगी. 25,000 A ने withdraw करी, कुछ नहीं लिखा, तो बिल्कुल सही. वो पूरा amount is withdrawn by the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Now, provision for bad and doubtful debts to be brought up to 5% on debtors. Provision for bad and doubtful debts right now is 5,000 and we have to make it 5%. 2 lakh का 5% if we will make it will be 10,000. और 10,000 की जगह उठा 5,000 already made to provision for bad and doubtful debts BDD shortcut में. तो 2 lakh का उठा 5% बनाते हैं तो 10,000 बनता है, लेकिन already provision है 5,000 का. तो how much provision more is required? More provision is required for rupees 5,000. Machinery to be reduced or depreciated by 20,000. 20,000 directly given है by 20,000 to machinery. To machinery. Then next is stock to be furniture to be reduced by 12.5. Furniture is total 1 lakh. To furniture. Furniture is to be reduced by 12.5%. That will be 12,500. And next is stock to be revalued at 2,30,000. Stock right now is at of rupees 2 lakh. It is will be increased to 230 to stock. So it will be increasing by 30,000. The value of stock increases to 230. Right now it is 2 lakh. So how much is the increase? Increase is of rupees 30,000. Building to be appreciated by 20%. Building 7,35,000. 7,35,000 ka 20% is to be increased. It will be 147. 20% increase, 1,47,000. Let me confirm. It is 7,35,000 into 20%. Yes, it is the amount 147, right? Then investment of rupees 20,000 which did not appear in the books to be recorded. So investment is unrecorded asset. So right here, buy investments. 20,000 unrecorded. This is now recorded. Earlier it is not shown in the balance sheet. Now we are showing it in the balance sheet. So this is to be recorded. Now we'll total it. Totaling the amount 197. Here also 197,000. Now we'll check how much amount is balancing figure with the help of the calculator. 197,000 minus 25,000 दोनों इकट्ठे जोड़ लिए minus 12,500. It will be 1,59,500 divided by 2 भी कर लेते हैं so that ratio ना निकालनी पड़े. 79,750. 159,500 revaluation profit to revaluation profit. A को गया बेटा 79,250. B को गया 79,250. आई थिंक ये तो क्लियर है बेटा यहाँ तक. अब पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाएंगे. पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट सर वेरी इजी. आपको ओपनिंग बैलेंस गिवन है, आपने वहां से ओपनिंग बैलेंस ले लेना है. एक ही कैपिटल है 6 लाख. सॉरी 6 लाख. बी की कैपिटल है 4 लाख. C brings his capital of rupees 2 lakh. All is given. We have to just record. Journal is made. Now we are making just ledger of these journal. जो हमने journal entries डाली थी. Premium for goodwill. A को मिला 25,000. B को मिला 25,000. और उन्होंने कैश में विड्रॉ कर लिया. A डेबिट B डेबिट टू कैश. तो इनके पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में टू कैश आ जाएगा. 25,000 A ने विड्रॉ किया, 25,000 B ने विड्रॉ किया. नाउ रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट वो भी डाल देते हैं 79,250. लेट मी चेक, थोड़ा सा डाउटफुल लग रहा है. 159,500 डिवाइडेड बाय 79750. राइट, 79750, 79750. Now making total with the help of the Excel sheet. There is total. Again total with the help of Excel sheet. Formula of the Excels work very easy in practicals. So doing it through this 7,04,750, 5,04,750 and 2 lakh. Now we'll calculate balance carry down. 2 lakh for C. This amount for this. We'll work it out. 4,79,750. It is 679,750. This is what we are doing, beta. Now we'll make balance sheet. Another part is the balance sheet. Capital accounts of A, B and S will write. So we had calculated already the capital accounts of ABC, ABS. A's capital account 6,79,750. Then 4,79,000 750 for B, and 2 lakh for C. 2 lakh for C. Then creditors जो पुरानी बैलेंस शीट में थे वही ले लेंगे. No need to change it क्योंकि कोई चेंज करी नहीं हमने. Sundry creditors 650, 6,50,000. कोई no new liabilities created. Outstanding expenses. Another one is outstanding expenses. Shortcut में लिख लेते हैं outstanding expenses. Now write expenses. That's it. I think no other item is left now. जनरल रिजर्व पहले नहीं था, ए का लोन भी नहीं था, बी का लोन भी नहीं था, तो no need to show them. Just delete them. Now on the asset side, cash we will write at the last. Right now I'll write sundry debtors. Total debtors 2 lakh थे बेटा पहले भी, और हमने न्यू प्रोविजन बनाया 5,000 का. 5,000 का पहले से प्रोविजन था, तो 10,000 का प्रोविजन हो गया. राइट नाउ लेफ्ट डेटर इज 190. आफ्टर दैट स्टॉक विल राइट स्टॉक. स्टॉक का अमाउंट है बेटा हमारे पास 2 lakh, and we had increased the value of stock at 230. Right, 2,30,000. Then we have furniture. Furniture is 1 lakh, which is reduced by 12.5%. So that will be 87,500 after reduction. That can be seen from revaluation account also. That furniture has been reduced on the debit side of the revaluation account above. Then machinery is 180, and machinery has been depreciated by 20,000. Machinery 180. This is machinery. 180 minus 20, 160. Then next is building 735. 735 plus 147. 735. We will do with the help of calculator. 735 plus 147. It will be 882. 8,82,000. 8,82,000. Then investments. Hidden adjustment है. Investment unrecorded asset 20,000. 20,000. And lastly cash in hand. We have to work out on cash. Cash total थी हमारे पास. Already we have cash of 270 plus 2 lakh he brings. The new partner 2L लिख देते हैं 2 lakhs plus 0.5 lakh वो लेके आया था. 0.5 lakh लेके आया minus 0.25 lakh वो निकाल के ले गए. 5 lakhs. It will be 470. 4,70,000. Now making a total of these balance sheet, it should agree. If it is not agreed, it means some mistake has been committed somewhere here and there. Let me check with the help of Google. And this right sheets 20,39,500. दोनों तरफ मेरा total. You are seeing it. It is agreed. It means my question is correct. देखें, this is total 20,39,500 on the liability side, 20,39,500 on the asset side. That means the question is correct, and we are able to score 12 marks or 8 marks as the case may be. Okay, ji?